Hi, this is Derek with Boise Cylinder Head Services. Today we're going to be going over a little bit about these two Venturi 302 cylinder heads from Australia. They're actually going to be going on a 2V 351 Cleavland. These Australian versions of the Cleavland have a smaller combustion chamber. It's blocked off right here. The 351s have an open chamber. These are closed chambered. And they have smaller ports too. These ones do compared to the 351 Clevelands. This application is going to go on there and add a little bit more performance for the street application we got going. But what we're going to have to do to this thing is we're going to magnaflux it, check it for cracks. We're going to change out all the guides, put in new seats all across the board, probably new valves too, and springs. Pretty much overhaul these cylinder heads completely. And this is just the first video of our series. Hopefully we're going to show each step of the way through these cylinder heads and how we're going to rebuild them and what we got to do to them to get to the final product, which is going to look sweet. New valves. This thing's just going to glow. It's going to be awesome. But that's all we got for today, and we hope you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe and like. Hit the subscribe and like button and the bell notification button to get all our notifications on our videos. And remember, it's all in your head.